What's up, everybody? My name is TheJ Jordan, and I'm here to do an unboxing. And we're gonna, did you see what it is? This one right here is from Be The Different Clothing. Hey, you know I like to get most of my shirts, my merch and stuff through her. I also gave some gifts out to people from her. So I will have a link in the description so you know who I got it from. So you see what we got. Let's check it out. Let's test out what kind of goodies we got today. What kind of goodies we got today? Hey, we got our own merch. The Peace and Hair Grease. We got it in the red. We got blue. We got green. We got gray. No, we gotta coordinate. Look at it. Peace and Hair Grease. Ooh-wee. Different colors. Different colors. It's nice, right? It's nice. I asked to put it on that spot too as well. Also, I have black. It's in black and gold. It's kind of hard to see, but it's black and gold. Look at that. Don't be hating because y'all don't got black and gold. And let's go into some more. Oh, hold on. We got another one. Black and green. Hey. Ooh-wee. Let's go test out some more stuff. Oh, hold on. We ain't done yet. We ain't done yet. Look at that. We got some more. Look at that. Look at that. Y'all can't tell me nothing. If y'all thought I wasn't wearing a hat to go with my outfit, shoot. You better find out now. You better find out now. And look at this. I have some people that I wanted to give. They didn't know this yet, but look. We have the pink. Their favorite color is pink. And it's, I see you looking on the front and the back. That's fire, ain't it? That's fire. And they have it in the Peace and Hair Grease, ooh-wee, on the front and the back. Look at that. They don't know yet. They find out today. We also have, look at this, the Peace and Hair Grease. It'd be popping. It'd be popping. Look at that. And we also have it. I see you looking. I see you looking. Hey. You know how we do it? You know how we do it? Those right there is part of the gifts. And then I had to go and get my own personal ones. I had to get me a gray. So, you know, I gotta re-up my merch. So we got the gray. We got another blue. Yeah. All these are large. All mine are large. So just in case you know. Look at that. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put it up in your face. Look at that. Look at that joker popping, right? Look at that popping. Y'all go to Be The Different Clothing for this. Just so you help. Look at that. That's the information right there. Make sure you scan it. And she also dropped some books. So if you want to order some books, she do have some books that you can read. Check out the books. But you know what? We still got more. Like, how much stuff did you get, Jay? You gonna find out. We have it in green. We have it in green. Why not? Why not? Peace and Hair Grease, you know? Let's throw that to the side. Ugh. What other color we got? Oh, we going back to the black. Oh, I could just see the hat and everything gonna match with this. Look at that. Look. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Can't say that ain't fire. Can't say that ain't fire. Bringing back my heritage. You know what I mean? Black and gold. Black and gold. And I wanted to do a little spin on it because I like green. So look at this. I got red with green. I work out. I want to work out. I work out. I want to work out. I like this one. I'm not even going to lie to you. This one right here. This right here, it looks so much better in person. It's red and green. Let's put it over there. But we not done yet. Look at this. We even got it in white. We even got white and green. Talk about this man over here putting in some work. When you get your merch, you get your merch. You get your merch. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I just want you to know, I'm not giving these away. These are mine. And like we got one more. We have green with the blue letters, with the blue outline. Because you know green and blue is my favorite color. So why not get the blue and green? You know? Look at that. Front and back. And what I like about hers, I can get my stuff on the front and back. Same way if you want to get yours. You just let her know what you want, and she got it. If you want your QR code and all that stuff on the sleeve, she can put that on there as well. I think I might do that on the next one. So, put a little bit more work on her. But I definitely appreciate you, Be the Different Clothing, because you do have good quality shirts with good quality merch. I like how you keep us informed when you do the stuff with you and stuff like that. But some of these shirts is going to be good for, one of them is for the one that braids my hair. The other one is for the one that helps me around the house. They didn't know they was getting it today. I didn't know they were getting it today until I went to go to the P.O. box and it was there. So, but yeah, this is my gift to them. They will find out about it today. But whatever y'all do stuff at your own pace, your own moderation. Make sure you stretch, drink water. Like I always say, fitness is key, peace, and hair grease. Ooh wee, holla!